kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a football for you. This is very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, you need to draw a circle. Draw the circle with compass. The compass is usually used to draw the circle. Do you have any compass? You can draw the circle with others round things. After draw the circle, you draw the triangle at the lines of the circle. Draw the another triangle. Draw the 5 triangle at the lines. It makes the football so beautiful and awesome. Do you have any football? Do you like to play with the football? I have 3 footballs. And I like to play with football. Then draw a triangle at the middle of the circle. Draw the lines to join the 5 triangles. See, it looks so beautiful and awesome that I play the football with my siblings and friends. I also play the football in the school with my classmates. Once I won the trophy in the football match. I'm genius in the football game. Do you play the football in your life? How many footballs do you have? See, my drawing is almost ready. Let's wait, something is missing in the drawing. Tell me what is missing. Yes, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. First of all, I use the red color. Use the red color in the triangle. Red is my favorite color. Do you like this color? Then use the yellow color in the triangle. It's also my favorite color. Then I use the orange color in the football. I like colorful drawings, so I use different colors in the football. See, it looks so beautiful and awesome. I like this drawing so much. See you again.